What's up, everybody? Another video, another day. I originally planned to get out and do some toy photography, but it was just everything's frozen over, and it's actually kind of fucking dangerous. Not that it stops me, but I don't know, I like to go deep when I like deep into the woods by the river, things like that when I do my toy photography. And I'm actually trying to get my office straightened up and stop having it such a fucking storage unit so I can get back to doing like tabletop stuff there. But yeah, got out here. There was some paint on a tree back there, just like paint just thrown all over this tree. Not that I condone it, but it makes for a decent picture, I'm not gonna lie. And I got the sun behind this one branch, which was pretty cool. I love playing around with light, just natural sunlight coming through, and just behind things. It creates an amazing image. So anyway, I think I am going to head back. I got a few pictures, gonna eat some breakfast, and probably head over to my parents. So anyway, I hope you guys have a good day, and enjoy the rest of the video. The valley is incredibly near and dear to my heart, and I love shooting nature. You know, as much as I love, you know, shooting toys and buildings and shit like that, and finding something abandoned, or, you know, I do love that stuff. And I'm not saying I love it more or any less than nature shots, but I just find myself shooting nature so much, and you know, I just love it. I love the valley, and I love, you know, shooting at the same tree 10 different ways and getting a different shot each time, you know, different perspectives. You know, if you look at anything, you know, there's a lot of opportunity to be had with it. You know, a building, tree, whatever the case is. And I just think that you know, especially nature and you know, our valley in Cleveland, Ohio is just, it's incredibly underappreciated. I mean, it really is like heaven on earth. And you know, there's waterfalls and rivers and just all kinds of shit that you can capture. And I don't know, you know, you kind of think about your purpose in life and your legacy that you're gonna leave behind, and maybe that's mine.